In this instructional video, we'll guide you through setting up the Adapy mobile app and linking it with the Bruno wheelchair crane. We'll assume you've already installed the Adapy Smart Mobility system in your vehicle and logged into your Adapy mobile app account. Initially, the Adapy mobile app is a blank slate, ready to be customized with your adaptive equipment. To begin, visit adapy.com to view supported equipment. For our tutorial, we're adding the Bruno Crane. First, tap the plus icon to add a new device. Input the unique code 2161860 for the crane and hit Submit. Shortly, the crane's controls and a dedicated icon will appear in the app, giving you easy access to the crane's functions. Next, let's connect the app to the Adapy Smart Hub. Tap the red Bluetooth icon at the top to open the Bluetooth menu. Select Adapy Smart Hub from the list, and on the following screen, tap Connect. Choose the Adapy Smart Hub from the appearing devices and enter the activation code found on the hub to prevent unauthorized access. Once the Bluetooth icon turns green, your app is successfully paired with both the Adapy Smart Hub and the Bruno Crane. Test the controls by tapping the crane icon at the top and ensuring all buttons function correctly. This concludes our walkthrough for setting up the Adapy mobile app with the Bruno Crane.